Good morning, dear children. In earlier, we had learned how to find area of different shapes. Today, I will explain how can you find area of a triangle and other irregular shape. So let us start with this triangle. Children, you can see this triangle formed inside the rectangle is just half of the rectangle. It means the area of a triangle is half of the area of a rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? 2 into 1 is area of a rectangle, that is 2 square centimeter. When you divide it by 2, you will get 1 square centimeter. So 1 square centimeter will be the area of a triangle. We can solve it in other method also. Here, if you just observe this, you will find this portion of the triangle is extra portion and it goes in the second square. So you remove this portion of this triangle and fit it here in this vacant place. Then this place will become vacant and this will be complete squared. So area of a triangle is 1 complete square means 1 square centimeter. Okay, this is area. So now we will see how can we calculate the area of this irregular shape. Here children, if you observe this picture carefully, you will find this irregular shape covers almost half of the rectangle. And this portion of the figure is extra portion and that is out of the rectangle. So you remove this portion and fit inside this rectangle. Similarly, this one is the extra portion and you remove this portion from here and fit it inside this rectangle. So, how many squares you have got inside the rectangle? There are 4 squares. So, the area of this irregular shape will be 4 square centimeter. Okay. Now, let us see more examples. Before that, children, you should know that 2 triangles make 1 complete squares. 2 half squares make 1 complete square. And 4 1/4 square makes 1 complete square. Okay. Now, let us see the example. Here, in this triangle, first we will calculate the area of this triangle by counting the number of grids inside the triangle. So, if you will count the number of complete grids, 1, 2, 3. 3 are the complete grids and this portion is little bit left. Okay, so if you complete this portion by removing this portion from here and place it in this vacant place, then this square will be complete square. So you will consider it 4 and remove this extra portion from here and fit in this vacant place. So you will get another square, complete square, that is number 5. So 5 complete square you have got, and this is triangle. 2 triangle you have got, this 1 triangle and this one 2 triangle. So 2 triangles makes 1 complete square. So the area of this triangle will be 6 square centimeter. Now what is the second method to find the area of this triangle? First of all, what you will do? You will make a rectangle. So this triangle come inside the rectangle. Now you find the area of this rectangle first. So the length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So 12 square centimeter is the area of a rectangle. Now divide it by 2, then you will get 6 square centimeter. This will be the area of this triangle. Now let us see one more example. Here children, in this figure, first of all you make the grid. After making grid, you count number of complete squares. So how many complete squares are there? Just count and you will find 1 complete square, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are complete squares, and after that you will see how many squares are half squares. So this one is half, this one is half, this one is half, this one is half, 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 half. So total halves are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 half means 4 complete squares, right? After that you will see how many 1/4 squares are there. This is 1/4 square, this is 1/4, this is 1/4 and this is 1/4. It means 4 1/4 makes 1 complete square. So add 1 more. So 9 square centimeter will be the area of this complete figure. Now let us see this example. Here first of all what you will do, you will make grid. So make grid first, and as you all know each grid is of 1 square centimeter. After making the grid, join this horizontal line and the grid is complete. Now you calculate number of complete squares. So let us calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 complete squares are there. And just see how many triangles are there. This is 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4, 5 and 6. 6 triangles is equal to 3 complete squares. So you will add 3 more. So it will become 21 square centimeter. So children, hope you all have understood this method of calculation of area of different irregular shapes. First, remember that first of all you have to count number of complete squares. Then you see and count number of half filled squares. And then if any 1/4 part of the square is there, you count all that portion also, and then add all the numbers, and finally you will get total area of the given figure. Okay, hope you all have understood this. Do practice at home and solve the given sums. Thank you and have a nice day.